Get ready to pack for New York. New York can be really hot and humid in the summers, but also cold, as in below freezing, in the winters. New York is also one of the rainiest cities in the US. Let's review the basics of what you need. Don't worry, if you forget something... I forgot something. Don't worry, if you forget something, there's plenty of shops in New York for you to stock up on the essentials.
For your carry-on baggage, you're going to need your passport with the appropriate visa stamp on it, as well as your I-20, DS-2019, or any other travel documents you're going to need. Other than that, you're going to need some money to get you through your first few days in NYC, as well as your wallet, of course. And lastly, your tickets, your phone, and any other devices on your person, as well as a travel adapter so that you can keep your devices charged. And don't forget your medicines.
1 to 2 t-shirts, 3 long sleeve shirts, 1 to 2 button-up shirts or blouses, 3 pair of pants, 1 insulated jacket, 2 sweaters or cardigans, 1 lightweight rain jacket or a small umbrella, 3 pairs of socks, sleepwear, gloves, hat, sunglasses, scarf, 2 pairs of shoes, walking and dress, backpack or messenger bag, 1 small purse, toiletries, and also small gifts you may want to share with others in New York City from your home country.
When in New York City, you'll find hundreds of places to buy toiletries, so you don't need to overpack in this area. Also, you don't need to pack anything that stores would have, such as extra clothes or accessories.
You're gonna have like a great selection and variety of restaurants and eateries around the city.
Also, if you have special dietary needs, there are health food stores around here. And if you have any other questions, feel free to go to Office of Global Services and they're here to help you.